Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skin care product which name is Provence Soft BISOUS Plumping Smoothing Lip Mask. This is the new mask which Provence recently launched. Let's deep dive into this product. First we talk about its benefits. This mask visibly plumps lips with moisture, softens lips. Helps smooth fine lines, wrinkles. Hydrates. Crack and dry lips. Let's talk about its key ingredients. It contains tripeptide, a powerful peptide that helps improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and gives lips a smoother, softer feeling. It has hyaluronic acid, a microencapsulated form of hyaluronic acid that releases hydration over time to visibly plump lips with moisture. It contains squalane, a lightweight, protective oil that moisturizes, visibly smooths lips while preventing moisture loss. It has shea butter, a rich butter packed with vitamins that helps soothe, repair dry, chapped lips, leaves them soft. How to apply this mask? Apply to lips as needed. Wear alone, before lip color, overnight, anytime. Final thought. I use this lip mask daily, all day. It has the perfect applicator. I love that it doesn't have any color to it and there is very mild scent. This lip mask really hydrates my lip and makes them look fuller. I love using this lip mask. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching.